Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more videos. Today I'm going to be doing this wonderful DIY vanity mirror with Christmas tree lights. So you're going to need to get some LED lights or anything that you can find around the house, and begin by using your glue gun to glue the lights around the mirror. Now I should have just taken the mirror off the wall and done it that way and then put it back on when I finished, but to be honest, I hate taking this mirror off because it's quite difficult to put back in. So as you can see, I'm just sticking the lights around the mirror of the glue gun and just continuing that process. As you guys can see, I've actually done the first set going all the way around, and now I'm on the second set. I'm overlapping where I've already previously glued and just gluing in the same place. As you can see, as I'm doing this, I'm holding it down with my finger just so that the glue can have enough time to dry in place, and so that the lights get a good chance of sticking to the mirror. Again, I'm showing you guys here, just repeating the process all the way around. So I think I actually did 3 coats, like it went around 3 times. This is the third set, and on the third set I didn't actually glue it down because I just like the sort of rough look. And so here I'm just tidying up some edges with my glue gun so that, you know, it looks a bit more tidy. So as you guys can see, I finished the mirror. It didn't take long at all. And now I'm just going to place the rest of the cable neatly within the crease of the wall, just so it's just out of the way, nobody trips on it, and it just does look a lot better rather than just loose cables hanging. So I'm just going to do that until I reach the end of the wall. Are you guys ready? Wow! Oh my god, I didn't expect it to turn out like this. This is absolutely amazing. I mean, my bathroom is already light and I already do own a ring light, but I think I'm going to start taking my selfies in this mirror. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, guys, if you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!